Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss another update. The Yamaha R15 version 3 was recently announced at Auto Expo 2018. Along with the new R15 version 3, Yamaha also showcased the race-spec version of this bike consisting of Daytona Exhaust, Metzeler rear radial tyre, tank pad, seat cover, frame sliders and exhaust shield. Recently, Yamaha has announced the price of racing kit accessories. To start off, the race-spec Daytona free flow exhaust system will cost you Rs 16,700 and the Metzeler rear radial tyre is priced at Rs 9,998. But you have to note that Yamaha has approved both the Daytona exhaust system and Metzeler rear tyre only for track use. The price of the tank pad and seat cover is Rs 225 and Rs 430 respectively. To protect your sports bike from crash, the frame sliders will cost you Rs 2,450 and exhaust shield will cost you Rs 500. There is also another accessory named USB charger connector, but the price is not yet announced. The above accessories mentioned has to be purchased from authorized Yamaha dealers only and the labor charges are not included as it varies from dealer to dealer. So what do you think about the prices of the accessories? Did Yamaha priced it well? Share your thoughts on the comment section below.